Hi everyone, this is Medicine Made Easy, where we focus on understanding medical knowledge that sticks to our brains in a fast and efficient way. Let's get right into it. Today, we're going to talk about the peritoneum. So, what on earth is the peritoneum? In Greek, peri means around, and teno, or however it's pronounced, means to stretch. So, simply put, the peritoneum is something that stretches over something. This makes sense because, by definition, the peritoneum is a serous membrane lining the abdominal cavity and covering abdominal organs. In fact, the peritoneum is only one of the 4 serous membranes in humans. The serous membranes include the pleura lining our lungs, the pericardium lining the heart, tunica vaginalis lining the testes, and of course, the peritoneum lining the abdominal cavity. The serous membrane is a thin membrane made up of mesothelium tissue originating from the mesoderm. And there are 2 layers of mesothelium. 1, the parietal layer, and 2, the visceral layer. The parietal layer forms walls of body cavities, while the visceral layer surrounds organs. This applies to all the serous membranes mentioned. For the peritoneum, the parietal layer, lined in red, lines the abdominal cavity, while the visceral layer, lined in blue, surrounds the abdominal organs. The parietal and visceral layers form an airtight seal around the respective cavities. In other words, air in these cavities is not normal, as in the case of pneumoperitoneum, where there is the presence of air in the abdominal cavity. And also, as most of us know, in cases of pneumothorax, where there is the presence of air in the pleural cavity. But what's its purpose? Why do we need the peritoneum or other serous membranes in the body? Basically, it's to allow frictionless movement. As mentioned, the serous membrane is made up of mesothelium tissue. The mesothelium cells produce something called glycosaminoglycans, and this acts as a lubricant. Therefore, we have, for example, pleural fluid for the pleural cavity, peritoneal fluid for the abdominal cavity. By producing these fluids, it allows movement of organs without causing damage. So, in summary, the peritoneum is a serous membrane lining abdominal cavity and covering abdominal organs, and its purpose is to allow frictionless movement of organs without damaging them. I hope this short video makes sense, and please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.